Innocent Onoha Ewurum from Obingu Oyi.
Okay.
Owore West, Algeria. Now, before I was with the Shell BP.
Okay.
In a drilling oil rig. Most of all oil I and this side, Ebema, Greta side, Ugoni side, I was before the war. When the drilling Shell BP rig, but I was around when Bonnie fell. And she, so no child, the militia at that time, now, but I can't see. How large share the food, I have started back home. One of the things when they join the war, the family with that tower. I'm a bomber Calabarian, you know. A bank all up upon no, so when Calabar fell, Papa Abari Games on the winner, I was with the child with me. From my first salary, is all there, rally bicycle. They cycle from Calabar to Ikoku.
Wow.
Then the TZ and Atipa, Butehana, Emmanuel College. So when Calabar fell, Papa came down home, already out of Salamolo. After Bonnie Calabar, out of Salamolo. So Papa had a lot of roll when I asked him, by then we named the wine. That's more to I asked you that time. What bring a ruler, you take a meat. So, man, about the refugees coming up from Calabama, Baraga. So, at one time, Magana, Emmanuel College, same refugees from Calabar. They were rooted there now, you know. The two MPs there. One of them are Dora my wristwatch. Somebody, younger Mam Kaka, expensive. Yeah, more than Masiko.
Wow.
Yeah, women say no, look at because I'm 94. So I decided to do Zolo. Even that Magacha home, why I saw them the one, I didn't see them. Coblanga, no way. Papa, well, I am not staying any longer. I want to go and join the force. Magaji back to Port.
Okay.
Join is here. Biafran Navy.
Okay.
So without being those Shell BP, they don't work. I can't go on.
Wow.
By
Navy. So, how was the experience like? No, as
a youngster now, I'm a the only thing, no, we're going to the next other 2 hours, Mama, who are I now, worry, ma? Am I schedule now, home?
Yes.
I schedule now 23 plus. I schedule now, so we are now, Warrior. On a game.
You are in the Navy. How was the Biafran Navy then during the war? How was Biafran Navy?
Wanted to make the Biafran Navy like the British Navy.
Wow.
Biafran Navy is leaking now.
Ikoku.
I said, I'm the musical on the line. You are asking.
Okay.
Okay, you know where that first in the musical. He was with us now. After, there's no operation. All you are there. The musical.
Wow.
A very brave naval officer. A short man, all his story. Very brave.
Wow.
I used to remember that slang when I used it at that time. You are probably when I say turn back doesn't mean I'm running. I want to use my 6-pounder.
Wow.
Very brave. I'm not sure when you're too much into ISIS. Very brave.
Wow.
You know, those of us now, I used to do those who share BP Togo's idea, mecha gunboat. Like PC 101 on the busy cannon.
Okay.
I command there.
Okay.
PC 202. Lieutenant Commander Birapo from Asaba. PC 203, I'm a stronger because I'm a to lead.
Okay.
Because Ukiwe himself did navigation.
Wow.
So I wear the body, I have a 1-inch, so that 6-pounder could hardly play it through.
Wow.
So I will tell you.
So, how many boats came during the war?
Patrol craft 101.
Okay.
Patrol craft 202.
Okay.
That's bigger and higher.
Yes.
The same size with 203, PC 203.
Okay.
Wow. Yeah, but everybody don't know who Oliko. Can't just fight an upper. Then in the middle, 105mm abufo makeji gba plane. Then nazo 6-pounder makeji PS working.
Wow. When the Nigerian Navy bịara ọgụ.
Many times. Can equip.
Okay.
Can equip.
Can you share the experience, Biko?
Many times now. Like as I told you now, no operation now. After the no operation now, we had a lot of my food.
Okay.
Teammates.
That's after the operation.
After the
And
operation.
when Biafran Navy kochara Nigerian Navy during the war.
Many times.
Okay.
The only thing that the first gunboat, we got from Biafran Navy, the operation Abani Channel.
Yes.
That time. Hey. But I Hana Sanya so.
Okay.
Hana Sanya.
Wow. Wow.
Definitely be Shilika now, you know. Okay, see the difference.
Yes.
You know, here shall be top boat. And all the very low.
Okay.
Whereas something like NNS Goja,
okay,
NNS Nigeria had a higher.
Okay.
So Hana share and you're not going overhead.
Okay.
And when we share them on target.
Wow.
Because this act by the same heavy guns. When them or
yes.
All the con, J fighter and all the caliber. And 105mm before. You maki plane. Then 6-pounder maki PS was high fire.
Wow.
And the boat is low.
Okay.
So I now acquire.
Okay.
Also call Gaba.
Okay. Okay. Onwere ndị ọcha hanyere Biafra aka. Ndị ọcha hanyere Biafra aka during the war.
The only way I seen the China during the war time, you know, we did I have my weapons, you know.
Okay.
So I can say more of the French, Nayaka,
okay,
all this code away. All this code away, you know. Ijake Bumado.
Wow.
Wow. Like the time I had allow that time. As I told you,
yes.
Now after that trip, USS has signed a treaty pact.
Okay.
It's supplying Nigeria illusion jet bomber and fighters.
Oh.
And other war equipment to Logabia.
Oh.
So Nigerian style, Alvan jet bomber, jet fighter, jet bomber. Now harass Johnny. Morelli Fall was here. No matter how small a sector. Jet fighter now harass and no way kind of. Even at that time, Baha Halawa, Baha when he and I mean one yota on Maka some of these Frenchmen. Like Mike, British man could how to swim in the European way.
Wow. Okay, Namuku, you are a veteran and a warlord during the Biafran Nigerian Civil War. Ole he nwere ike ikwu kosoro the war. Ole he nwere ike ikwu kosoro the war.
When you ask me, I say mainly like after that coup, that first coup,
okay,
Emere, 1966 coup Emere. So in there not a Bujan on Igbo.
Okay.
Because I hear you book on Igbo, my plan. Those of them that's like a Webu. Those they Buchandeka, or then they Buru na Igbo side.
Okay.
So how brand is there now?
Igbo Q.
Major cause them and Yawa, a Buzian like a.
Actually, Major Gema, decision ahụ Ojukwu take on behalf of ndị Igbo. We have butere ọgụ. Decision ahụ
no Ojukwu. We have many youngsters who will say.
Okay.
In Ojukwu make a mandate of the people. Okay, a mandate of the people.
Okay, now we
I know.
Okay.
Because he told us after Malu Okucharia clear. Okay. You make the mandate of it. In fact, anytime I'm a struggle to get the naval aspect of the war. Okay. Most of these things down there. Okucharia, you carry the mandate of how you declare that sort of thing. A woman out of his own volition.
Okay. I can only have some people who now would you do Biafra naga?
Na lie.
Okay.
When he asked me, I just got sent.
Okay.
Because he was a gun bound. I was a gun bound actually.
So ọ bụrụ na
ọrụ ya mgbe ahụ.
Okay. I nwere ihe m chọrọ ịjụ. Ọ bụrụ na alụghị agha Biafra ahụ. Ụfọdụ na-asị na onwe ihe karịa ime ndị Igbo. Mana achọrọ m ịma from you as onye lụrụ agha Biafra. Ọ bụrụ na alụghị agha Biafra ahụ, ndị Igbo, kedu ọnọdụ ndị Igbo karịa ịnọ? Mana ebe alụkwara na agha Biafra, ọ dịghị ka ndị Igbo
the bad is that amam nke mmadụ na-ekwu ya ekwugburu onwe ya.
Okay.
Especially in Nigeria, ikwu eziokwu. Ya dị ka na ara mmadụ na-ekwu. All we heard, like a guy said, from Sahara to the sea.
Yes.
Every 5 years, you know, and ọjanye na-ekwu geta. So, somebody should push you to the wall. Push you to the wall, like anya. Yes.
You
fight back.
Okay. Ademana bụ email no na. Email maka ịbịa nọnyere anyị. Anyị ga na-abịakwa na-akọwara anyị maka Nigeria na ala Igbo. Inye m history.
That is one so.
Email nna m.
But ihe kpara m ije nwoke ahụ. So you if you can start asking about that.
Ngwa papa.
Yes.
Gwazi anyị kpọmkwem ihe ikwuru bịa.
Ihe kwuru bịa men na-ewu. Second son, Nnamdi Azikiwe. After a raid in Nkwerre, that Naval guy, Nkwerre from Alvan, Ikoku, with a nurse to Igbo hospital. Even Red Cross.
Gịnị mere no second son Nnamdi Azikiwe?
He was badly wounded by the jet fighter, jet bomber bravery.
Wow.
Well, but he was unconscious. He may be able when we're only unconscious, you know.
Okay, give one onye brule.
Bye. Igbo hospital.
Wow. You want to keep one date or year he hammered because
all during the wartime.
Okay.
All during the wartime, almost that period, nearing to 1970.
Okay.
Parallel. So when you men are going to be back to Paraguay, Camidon, and Hacho and the river that on Dibu.
Hey.
So
after the war.
After the war,
the rivers are Hachos in the
wonderful.
So then in Rugaboru na River State before the war. After the war, has Hachos.
No, they didn't. So
and this will not do any
the member said, "Emma testimonial, you know, share hot cake." I got na American Oil Company. There's a Makova mineral. They produce my home testimony. When you like to start? Do you like to start? Now I'm saying no. Let me go and get my belongings ready.
Wow.
I come back tomorrow.
Wow.
So sharp, maybe the Jeba.
So keep convert and one Nnamdi Azikiwe or survivor. Did he survive?
Survive. Well.
Not
survivor.
Okay.
So I've been longing to see or talk with him.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, but I mean, one knows the obligation in Mark.
Okay.
Because they made them attempts. 2 good times. That's on it. I see now ambassador in one country that so we give him chance. Emeka. The second son Emeka.
Okay, second son
Azikiwe. Okay. Second son Emeka.
Okay.
Azikiwe.
Okay.
Papa will president.
Yes.
So Ademma. I want to give link.
Yes, we will link him up. I gotta watch the video. I gotta okay.
More that guy, that Naval guy. Blue leg in a Opel record. Caravan. Dopia the back city. Tigeba. You know, Igbo hospital.
Wow.
Why would you see there? How I saw Azikiwe. I three of them.
Yeah.
3 Dr. Ndosha. And the record. The next day, Babakwa. Yawana or survive. You know.
I'm
longing to see him.
Talk with him. Of course. He got here, sir.
This time I will God's time. Because I don't lose hope. But I didn't move again by some friends in Srim Deku. Meeting or so.
He got here.
Only get me had possible.
He got here. All right, sir.
No, but promising I didn't go.
Even history.
Even I will go to no longer.
Give them history.
Because, okay, I'll drag it now. I'll give him a France, easy. And I like in your position with Britain. In case King Henry V. Okay.
Okay, now we come back. Thank you very much, sir.